In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make slow motion in Lightworks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to slow down any clip using Lightworks' built-in speed control, and you'll understand what the percentage values mean so you can get the look you want. Start by opening Lightworks and heading to your editing workspace with your clip already placed on the timeline. Once you can see your clip in the editing panel, right-click directly on that clip. From the menu that appears, choose Speed. This opens a small dialog that shows the current playback rate. By default, it's set to 100%, which means normal, real-time speed. To create slow motion, reduce that number. For a smooth and noticeable effect, enter 50%. This tells Lightworks to play the clip at half speed. When you click Apply, the clip will become longer on the timeline because it now takes twice as long to play. That's expected and is a good sign the change worked. Press play to preview the results. You should see motion that's slower and more dramatic while the action remains clear. Here's a helpful way to think about the numbers. 100% is normal speed, 50% is half speed, and 25% is quarter speed. Lower percentages make the clip slower, higher percentages speed it up. If 50% isn't slow enough for your project, you can return to the speed control and try a slightly lower value, like 40% or 33%, then apply again and review. If you ever want to go back to normal, set it to 100% and apply. A quick note on quality: slow motion always looks best when the footage was recorded at a higher frame rate. For example, clips shot at 60 frames per second or higher will stay smoother when slowed to 50% on a 30 frames per second timeline. If your source was shot at 24 or 30 frames per second, very low speed values may look choppy. In those cases, keeping the percentage closer to 50% usually gives the most pleasing result. Also keep in mind that slowing a clip affects its audio. You might notice lower pitch or stretched sound. That's normal when you slow down playback. If the audio feels distracting in your preview, plan your edit so music, narration, or natural sound works with the slower pacing. That's all there is to it. Right-click your clip, open speed, change 100% to 50%, click Apply, and you're done. With this simple technique, you can add cinematic slow motion to your edits quickly and confidently in Lightworks.